everyone, what's up with Doc Nana? It's Chef Doc Nana this time. And what are we gonna cook today? What we're gonna do today is we're gonna make a potato crab stick salad. And if you notice for the past few days, it's always but vegetables and all but veggies. We are refraining from too much of meat. So, I know some of you are asking why am I not cooking something about fish, and there's a reason for that. Malansa siya. Meron tayong replacement for that. And if you understand too much of fish and if you eat fish for the rest of your life, merong adverse effect yan, may bad effect yan, especially to your kidneys, okay? Nakakasira ng kidney ang anything in excess, even meat. Now, if you keep on eating meat, it's not advisable. If you keep eating gulay naman, it's not good also because you are depriving yourself of the proper nutrition. The best food to eat is balanced diet. You have fruit, you have gulay, you have meat, you have fish, you have pork, no? And in other words, balanced diet. Okay? Anything in excess is bad. It has a manifestation on your breath, on your skin, on your hair, on your sweat, even on your urine and stool. And it has manifestations, negative manifestations on your systems, on your body. So that's where we get our ailments, ang ating mga sakit. Anything in excess, anything sobra, wala namang dapat balance lahat. Okay? We're gonna make potato crab stick salad. Now, this is mostly prepared on restos and hotels. Now, hardly would you actually see this on YouTube. Anyway, guys, this time, I want to give you a tip, okay? You can get vitamin C from potato if you're going to include the skin while cooking it. Iboboil mo siya and you eat it with it. Okay? This time kasi, hindi ko sinama yung skin kasi baka magulat kayo bakit may skin yung aking potato crab stick salad. So, ine-explain ko sa inyo kasi ito binablog ko to sa harapan ninyo. But kung ako mapipiliin sa sarili ko, hindi ko tatanggalin yung skin kasi doon yung makukuha yung vitamin C. Yes, totoo yan. Okay? You can get the vitamin C sa patatas sa pamamagitan ng balat noon. Huwag mo siyang tatanggalin yung skin. You just have to really clean the potato well kasi may lupa yan. Now, ano ba makukuha natin sa patatas? Well, carbohydrates and sugar. That's it. Yun ang pinaka-main na makukuha mo sa kanya. Energy replacement for rice. Okay? So, yung mga may parang gluten-free na din siya kung tutuusin. So, ito gagawin natin. Okay, may nagtanong sa akin, ano ba yan? Pero these are scallops. Hindi siya starch. Scallops yan. Napakaganda niyan. Isda. Lasang isda, di ba? Lasang scallop. Kasi scallops yan. Okay? Healthy din yan, no? Hindi siya starch. Okay, correction, hindi siya starch. Okay, so gawa na tayo. Ibinoil ko ang potato kasi outright na to, marathon. So, para mabilis. Tandaan nyo, na-boil na yung potato, ha? Okay, bye! Ako ng potato. Naka-wedge and cube siya. And then, I added in leeks, onion leeks, and celery. Yan, makikita niya celery. So, napakuluan yan. Tapos, binlunch ko na rin yung mga greens. Ngayon, maglalagay tayo ng konting red bell pepper. And, of course, kailangan natin ng egg. At kailangan natin ng crab stick. Okay? Gagawa tayo ng potato crab stick salad. Dadalhin ko to sa mom ko. Okay, ito yung crab stick. Here, kung makikita ninyo, I'll just use the scissor, okay? Itong pinampupit ko. Nilagyan ko na siya ng crab stick. Okay? Ito yung red bell pepper. So, may celery yan, may onion leeks, at saka may potato. Ito, mapakuluan na yan with a little of salt, rock salt. So, dinray na natin yan. Now, itong itlog, dinurog-durog ko at meron siyang parsley. So, ang gagawin ko, ilalagay na natin siya. So, ito ngayon, ihalo na natin yung itlog na dinurog at saka yung parsley. Lalagyan na natin ngayon siya nitong banana ketchup at nitong mayonnaise at lalagyan natin siya ng pepper. Okay? At saka lalagyan natin siya ng dash ng konting Italian paste like yung basil leaves, tsaka konting thyme. Tayo ngayon, lalagyan natin siya ng konting paminta lang. Okay, konti lang. Sobra na naman ata. Lagyan natin siya ng thyme. Okay. Okay. At kukuha lang tayo ng konting basil leaves. Okay. Dried basil leaves. Yan. So, that's it. Okay, balik na tayo. O, nakita nyo na kung paano ginawa ang potato crab stick salad. Pero next time, since hindi ako magbablog, pag hindi ko binlag yung aking potato, talagang may balat yan. Kasi I want to benefit from the skin, which is the vitamin C. So, enjoyin nyo na lang. At sana nagustuhan nyo yung ating pinresent ngayon. And I hope you get to see SSBL Clinica Manila. Chinange ko na yung name kasi may nag-hack ng aking account. Na-notice ko may gumaya ng Ngipin Clinica. So that's why pinalitan ko na siya ng Ngipin Clinica Manila. Okay?